Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. Today's episode of working on the FRS, we are going to be installing some carbon fiber door cups. So currently on here I have, I'll show you what I am working with. They're currently wrapped carbon fiber and I kind of want to just get the real deal. They ran about $100. The carbon fiber wrap looks pretty good, but I think the real things are going to look much better. And like I said, they ran about $100, so I'll have these linked down in the description box below if you want to go pick up a set. Let's go find these things and get them opened up. So here's the little cups. It came straight from freaking Taiwan or something. Yeah. Dongwen Co. That's the manufacturer apparently. So they should look pretty sexy, I'm thinking. Well, those definitely are real carbon fiber. Wow. Those are beautiful. Let's take a little closer look. As you can see, these things are absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm gonna rip off that carbon fiber wrap I have on there right now, and we can go ahead and get these real carbon fiber door things installed. They're just held on by double-sided tape. So I'm gonna rip that vinyl off. I'll probably have to use a heat gun to peel it off, and then clean it somehow. Probably use, what should I use? Isopropyl alcohol, maybe some more of that. And then we can install these carbon fiber ones. Let's see if I can get this off also without removing the door handle. That'd be nice. I'm gonna try to use nothing right now, no heat or nothing. Even though it's, guys, it's freaking 15, 16 degrees outside right now. Ah, frick, it's cold. See how they look on there. So it sits like that. That guy, that is sick. That is so sick. They're just sitting right on there. I haven't even done anything yet. Wow, those things are gorgeous. Do I have it backwards? Where's that how it goes? That's how it goes. I did have it backwards. That feels awesome too. All right, let's get this thing cleaned up a little bit with some alcohol wipe stuff. Pretty straightforward install. Just kind of line it up, and I'm gonna take it back off. See all this backing, this red stuff on here? That is backing for the double-sided tape. I'll just peel off the red. It's always the hardest part for me is peeling this crap off. Freaking fat boy fingers over here. Seriously, guys, I think it's too cold for anything to stick right now. I'm gonna grab my heat gun and kind of heat everything up and see if we can get it to stay on there. As you guys can see, it took a little bit of messing around with to get to sit perfectly how I want it, but it turned out freaking incredible. Alright guys, I'm gonna go bust out the driver's side as well. That side should be super easy because I didn't end up wrapping that side. After I did this side with the fake carbon fiber, I knew I wanted to just to get the real carbon fiber cups, so I don't have to peel any wrap off that side. It should only take about a minute. As you can see, this side turned out super sick as well. Damn, that looks awesome, guys. Would highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Oh, I'm so freaking happy with the focus on this camera. It's insane. Alright, my dudes, that is going to wrap up today's little FRS install. I know it's pretty short, but it was a much needed mod. Like I said earlier, I'll have them linked down in the description box below if you want to go pick up a set. They ran about $100, but it's well worth the $100 investment. It's way too freaking cold outside to be working out in the shop right now, so I'm going to run inside, get some video editing done, and maybe I will take you guys along on a little date later. I think we're going to like Taco Tuesday or something, so it should be pretty sick. I want to really test out this new camera in low light situations, so maybe I'll see you guys then. Yo, what is up, guys? I'm headed right now to the taco place for Taco Tuesday. I don't know if you can see me. This is my first time shooting super low light with this new Sony camera, but I figured I'd take you guys along. It's been a while since I did anything like this on the channel, and I really want to test this thing out in super low light conditions. I'm gonna guess you guys probably can't see me right now because my ISO is set super low, but I will see you guys there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't mind that little edit of the Taco Tuesday place because my camera settings were all jacked up. I'm a lot better with it now, guys, trust me. There was quite a bit of noise in some of the darks and shadows on that video, but my first time using it in low light, so what do you expect? I didn't really do my research beforehand. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, smash that subscribe button right up in the corner. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Also guys, one more thing before I end this video, I always keep forgetting, but one of my sponsors, Movement Watches, they make watches and sunglasses. If any of you guys are interested, I have a discount code. It is DVNiemela15. I'll have it on the screen. So it saves you $15 off of your order, and pretty sure you get free shipping with that as well. Pretty awesome, guys. These watches are so sick, so make sure you guys go check out their website. It's always linked down in the description box below, but I'll have it as one of the first links this time. So make sure you guys go check it out. Use my discount code DVNiemela15. All right, see you tomorrow.